Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to download and install CapCut on your Windows device. For this, go to Start, then go to Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store is a trusted site for installing apps, games and other softwares. Now go to search bar and search for CapCut here. Here is our app. Click on this. Before installing CapCut, please make sure you have the right system requirements. Minimum of 8 GB memory and 16 GB recommended. Now click on the install button. I am skipping the downloading part. Our installing is finished. Now what we have to do is go to start again, then right click on CapCut, click on more and pin it to taskbar. Now we can open the app from here. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.